So I just pulled to show you a campsite here in Maine on the edge of the river, or pond, I'm sorry, or lake. I should start this video over. Oh, I see all these streamers, they want to be so perfection. I think we all enjoy a little of the edge of true life. In real life, as they say, huh? IRL. Shout out to the IRL queen and all the other streamers that are trying to find their way. I wish you the best, and realize fame comes with a cost. So, wish everyone the best, good or bad. Love you all. Peace out.